I'm going to demonstrate the short division that was outlined in the book, just so you can get an idea of how that works. So if we're doing 2,765 divided by 5, the short division, it just finds out how many you can put in, right? So for 27, I can put in 5, and then you just write out the remainder. So if I put in 5, that's 25, and there's 2 left. Right, so the remainder just stays on top, and now I'm working with 26, so I still can fit in a 5, and that's 25, and I will have a 1 left, so I just leave it up there. And then I can fit 5 in 3 times. So the shorthand division is just without explicitly writing things out and taking things down. The shorthand will just take the remainder at any time and then move on with the next step of the division. With other types of division, so this is the type of division that we're, oh, I wrote that wrong, that we're used to, 27 divided by 32. So something like this, we're constantly guessing what needs to be put in, and you can do the longhand saying how many times does 32 fit into 3600, right? So if you do that, that'll fit in 100 times. Or you can do the shorthand where you just put 1 and then there's 32. Alright, so let's do it the longhand because it's easier to condense it than it is. So 32 times 100 would be 3200, and then what I would have left is 427. Right, and if I have 427, I can fit in 32 10 times, and so that'll be 320, and then I'll have 117 left. And with that, I can fit in 32 at most 3 times, and I have 96, and finally I have 21 left. And I can't fit 32 into 21, so what I'm going to do is add up all these values here. So I will have 113, and then my remainder will be 21. And a way for me to check it is do 113 times 32 and add 21 to make sure that gives me 3,627.